The highly anticipated fourth-generation SE model from Apple is shaping up to be one of the most exciting and transformative releases in the budget-friendly iPhone lineup. Leaks from various sources have painted a clear picture of what to expect, and it's clear that this new version will be a significant departure from its predecessors. One of the most notable upgrades is the shift in design. The current SE model has stuck with a traditional 4.7-inch LCD display, reminiscent of older iPhones with a physical home button and thick bezels. However, according to Mac rumors, with the upcoming model, Apple is expected to introduce a larger 6.1-inch OLED display, which is in line with the design language of the iPhone 14. This switch to OLED brings improved color accuracy, deeper blacks, and more energy efficiency compared to outdated LCD panels. The larger screen size will not only provide more real estate for users to enjoy media, but also make the device look and feel more modern. In terms of performance, leaks have pointed to a significant boost. While the current SE is equipped with the A15 chip, the next generation will reportedly sport the A18 chip, which debuted with the iPhone 16 series. This leap in processing power is expected to bring enhanced efficiency, faster performance, and improved battery life. The A18 chip will also ensure that the upcoming SE model can handle more demanding tasks, including advanced photo and video editing, gaming, and multitasking, making it a more robust option for users who need more from their phones. Camera performance is another area where Apple is expected to deliver major improvements. The existing SE model features a 12-megapixel rear camera, which, while capable, is no match for the cameras in Apple's flagship models. Mac Rumors says that the new model will likely include a 48-megapixel rear camera, which is expected to bring enhanced image quality, better low-light performance, and sharper detail in photos and videos. This camera upgrade will be a game-changer for those who use their phones for capturing everyday moments, as well as for content creators who rely on their devices for social media content. Another significant change will be the move from the Lightning connector to a USB-C port. This shift aligns with Apple's gradual transition towards adopting USB-C across its devices, including the latest MacBooks and iPads. The USB-C port offers faster charging and data transfer speeds compared to Lightning, and it also provides users with a more universal standard, making it easier to use the same cable across different devices. According to a short Twitter article by analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, Apple's fourth-generation SE model is expected to feature an Apple-designed 5G modem. This would mark a significant shift from the Qualcomm modems currently used in all iPhone. Apple's transition to in-house 5G chips follows its acquisition of Intel's smartphone modem business in 2019. While it's unclear if these modems will outperform Qualcomm, it would reduce Apple's dependency on its long-standing supplier. Memory has always been a key factor in determining a device's performance, and the upcoming model doesn't disappoint in this area either. The new SE will reportedly feature 8 gigabytes of RAM, double the current model's 4 gigabytes. This increase in memory will not only improve multitasking capabilities, but will also enable the device to support Apple's suite of AI features, known as Apple Intelligence. These features are expected to roll out with iOS 18.1 and will include advanced AI functionality, something that last year's iPhone 15 models were unable to support. This will make the new SE one of the most affordable iPhones to have access to these advanced capabilities, further widening its appeal to tech-savvy users. The upcoming SE model will also see the removal of Touch ID in favor of Face ID. While the physical home button has been a staple of the SE line, this shift to facial recognition technology aligns it with the more modern iPhone, making it more secure and user-friendly. The absence of the home button also allows for a cleaner, bezel-free design, further modernizing the look and feel of the phone. Despite these substantial upgrades, Apple aims to keep the SE's price point within a reasonable range. The new SE is expected to be priced between $400 and $500, similar to the pricing of previous models. As for the release date, multiple leaks point towards a launch in March 2025, following the pattern of previous SE launches. Apple suppliers are expected to begin mass production in October 2024, setting the stage for the spring release. Are you excited about these new features? Let us know what feature excites you the most in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest tech releases.